Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Expedition's computer. This process can often resolve minor electrical issues, improve performance, and clear old diagnostic trouble codes. It's a useful step after replacing your battery or performing certain maintenance. Understanding this simple procedure can save you time and potentially a costly trip to the mechanic. The most common method involves disconnecting your battery. First, locate your Expedition's battery. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's crucial to wait for at least 15 minutes to allow the vehicle's capacitors to fully discharge. After this time, securely reconnect the negative terminal. This simple action often clears the computer's memory. An alternative method involves resetting the powertrain control module, or PCM, by pulling its fuse. You'll need to consult your owner's manual to locate the correct fuse box and identify the specific PCM fuse. Once found, carefully remove this fuse for at least 10 minutes. This action effectively clears the module's memory. Reinsert the fuse firmly, then start your Expedition. After any computer reset, your Expedition needs to relearn its operating parameters. Allow it to idle for about 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. Then, drive normally for 50 to 100 miles, experiencing various driving conditions. Pay attention to any warning lights or unusual behavior. If issues persist, it's best to seek professional diagnostic assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.